I'm studying this culinary arts paper because I want to learn more techniques or ways to approach food than just cooking. For this particular paper, I want to go out and learn about how to change a traditional dish into a contemporary dish. The dish I created is masak lemak cili api, daging salai. It's a Malaysian dish and it's derived from masak lemak is infused turmeric lemongrass sauce and daging salai is smoked beef. It's like a fusion of both my families. One is from Minangkabau region from Indonesia and one is from a Chinese kind of background. So both backgrounds of food come together and it creates a dish. It came from the Minangkabau people who migrated to Malaysia. In the kitchen, everyone's busy preparing their elements and ingredients, and then I'm feeling really proud with what I've came up with, and I know that other Malaysians will be proud of me too.